open. Notice they don't open all the way, so slightly loosen. Notice the blades will slowly start to open up as the spring gains full compression. And just double check. You just don't want to loosen too far to where the blades will have wiggle. So this is a little bit loose. You'll see independent movement from each blade. So again, snug tightly. You'll notice the blade closes. The spring doesn't have quite enough pressure to open it up all the way. So again, loosen just slightly until that is allowed to open. We're talking a very minimal amount, just to reduce the drag. So, hope you enjoyed the video. In the like section below, hit it up, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.